So we're back out here. I was out here about 2-3 months ago after the duct cleaners came out. Well, they have two issues. One of them is that one of the units are not cooling. The other issue is that there's a water leak. Okay, that unit last time we were changing out the belt along with this one, so let's see what's up with this one. We got water right there. Possibly could be the condensation drain that's backed up. Oh, that's nice and cold right there. Look at all that ice. You can tell that it's been falling all down here throughout the plant. You can tell right now it's dripping. Let's go ahead and put some gauges on here. Take a look at what it can be. Ooh. That's a really nice sign right there. This charge is hot. Suction is very cold. Obviously, as you can tell. Alright, let's put some gauges on here and let's take a look. So we got our probes on there. So it's 17 on the suction and 150. Yeah, it's leaking a lot of water. So let's go ahead and shut off the unit. Okay, so this is an R22 unit. We're not going to be able to do much today. I don't have any R22 with me. Standing pressures are 58. Do we even still have any? Because I know there was just one jar left.
Yeah, I think Gene has it. We'd have to chase down the R22. I think Gene has it. But, you know, not going to be able to fix it next year. It's going to be pretty much done.
In case the customer does want to go with that option, we do have R22, right?
Yes.
In situations like these, the customer has somewhat of a couple options. One, top it off with R22 and do a leak search. In this company, we add dye to the system. I know that some technicians who've moved from other companies, they never use dye. They just do the leak search right there and then. The second option is to remove all R22 and put NU22, which is the replacement. But if I'm being honest, it's not really the best. I've changed out R22 to NU22. It doesn't work as great, so that wouldn't be my first option. The next and last option is to just go ahead and get an estimate for a new unit. This unit seems pretty old. That one last time we worked on it, it's fairly new. Yeah, gonna go ahead and present the customer with the options and then see what they decide to do. Most likely they're gonna have us top it off with R22. In the meanwhile, that they get the estimate for the new unit, because this unit is actually for their showroom down below, so they're gonna want it and they're gonna need it. I know temperatures as of right now are probably gonna go up to about 90-100 degrees within the next 2 or 3 weeks. But I'm gonna go ahead and present the customer with the options.